Navigate over to the Exam Management module, click on Exam Master. From this dashboard, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the blue Add Exam button. Now, enter your specific exam title into the designated field. Select whether this examination applies broadly to a full academic class or if it targets a specific batch of students, and then carefully choose your target standards from the list. Moving forward, select all the relevant subject types, such as scholastic or co-scholastic, that will be included in this evaluation framework. Once those are selected, click on Configure Selected Subject Types to open up the Detailed Configuration Settings modal window. In this view, you can easily check the boxes for the exact scoring fields you want to track for your students, including regular exam marks, internal assessments, or practical exam grades. Take your time to set up your grading hierarchy templates. Choose your specific rounding rules for final scores, clearly define the end result type, and assign display priorities to each item before finally clicking Save. Next, let's focus on scheduling the exam dates. Click on the clock and calendar icon located right next to your newly created exam row. This action will open up the Create Exam Timetable portal. For every subject listed on the screen, carefully enter the planned exam date, the exact start time, and the overall duration of the test in minutes. You will also need to input the maximum possible marks, alongside the minimum required passing marks for each paper. Review the schedule for accuracy and save the timetable. Afterward, use the green broadcast megaphone icon to access the Publish settings, where you can choose exactly what visibility students and parents will have on their portals regarding timetables and hall tickets. To set up unified grading rules across the institution, head over to the Exam Grades section on the sidebar and click the Add Grade button. From the drop-down options, select your preferred grade division model. Give your new template a clear and identifiable name. Now, let's configure the hall tickets for the upcoming exam session. Under the Hall Tickets tab, you have a couple of options. You can select Add Predefined to quickly build a structured layout using standard system templates. Here, you can upload your school's official letterhead along with the left and right branding logos to ensure the document looks official. Next, map the dynamic database tokens, such as the student's full name, roll number, and address, so the system can auto-populate each ticket. Alternatively, if you want complete creative control, you can use the Add Personalized option to design a custom layout from scratch on an open canvas. Let's take a quick look at what the student experiences on their end. When a student logs into their personal dashboard, they can immediately view their upcoming schedules by navigating to the Student Exam section. Clicking the green Start button will display the complete evaluation instructions and immediately launch the live test interface. Once tests are finished, they can also use this space to review completed assessments, check their final scores, and read specific performance feedback left by their instructors. To manage and input student grades after an exam, head over to the Central Results section. If you prefer manual data entry, click on Add Result. Use the filters to choose your specific class and exam, and click to load the active student roster. You can now go down the list and type scores directly into the input fields for each subject, while also utilizing the quick toggles to mark student attendance as present or absent. Make sure to click Save once you finish updating the page. For much faster bulk updates, you can use the spreadsheet integration. Click on the Import button, select your class parameters, and click Download Current to generate an offline Excel template matching your setup. Open the file, simply fill out all the student scores in the spreadsheet rows, save the file on your computer, and upload it back into the web system. You can also monitor visual analytics charts in the Progress Tracker to view overall academic growth over time. Finally, let's generate the official report cards and marks cards for distribution. Navigate down to the Exam Report Card tab and select the Generate Marks Card utility. Filter the search by selecting the target class, the specific exam instance, and your preferred visual template style. Once you submit the request, the system will process the documents, As soon as the status changes to completed, simply click the download button to instantly retrieve your print-ready PDF reports.